In this episode, we're going to talk about what happens to plants, animals, and weather in the summer. Did you know that summer starts around June 21st or 22nd and it lasts until around September 22nd? The weather starts off pretty warm, and from there it gets hotter and hotter. It also gets humid, which means that the air can feel sticky or damp. During the summer, you can see thunderstorms, though there isn't as much rain in the summer months as there are in the spring months. Tree branches are filled with green leaves in the summer. We use the tree's shade to help us keep cool when it gets hot. Many flowers bloom all summer long, but flowers do need to be watered more in the summer months. In the summer, young animals grow up. Birds learn to fly, and other animals learn the skills they need to survive. Animals also take shade under trees to keep cool in the summer. People spend a lot of time outdoors in the summer. They go hiking or go to the pool to cool off. People also wear lighter clothing such as t shirts and shorts. Now that we've learned about summer, let's see if you can answer these questions about summer. Hmm, which tree looks like it belongs in summer? What do you think? You're right. The green one looks like it belongs in summer. I wonder what a bird is doing during the summer. Laying eggs or learning to fly? What do you think? You're right. They're learning how to fly in the summer so they can survive. Hmm, I wonder what we wear in the summer. A jacket or a t shirt? What do you think? You're right. People wear t shirts in the summer. I hope you enjoyed this episode on summer, and don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.